Welcome in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Students, today in this video lecture we will discuss question number 11 of exercise 9.1 of NCERT book. Students, question number 11 is saying that write the first 5 terms of each of the sequence and obtain the corresponding series. Students, in question number 1 we have done this. We have learned to find first 5 terms, first 5, 6, 7, 8 terms of given sequence. Students, this is a general term of a sequence, and now we have to find first 5 terms. Its first term is given, which is 3, and now we have to find other terms and then find corresponding series. It's very easy, so let's find. Students, first term is already given, which is 3. Now we will find second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. Then we will find its corresponding series. So to find second term, we will put n equals to, this is solution, put n equals to 2 in the general term of the given sequence. Students, we will put n equals to 2 here. So this will be a2 equals to 3, a2 minus 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Students, a2 minus 1 will be equals to a1 plus 2. And now since it is given a1 equals to 3, so we will put 3 here. 3 into 3 plus 2. Students, a1, value of a1 is given. First term is given, which is 3, so we will put 3 on the place of a1, and then we will get 3 3 is 9 plus 2, which is equals to 11. It means that our second term is 11. Now we have to find third term. To find third term, we will put n equals to 3 in the general term of the given sequence. So this will be equals to a3 equals to 3 into a3 minus 1 plus 2. 3 into a3 minus 1 equals to a2 plus 2. Students, we have got a2 equals to 11. So we can put the value of a2 in this third term. So a3 equals to 3 into a2. a2 is what? 11. a2 is 11. So we will write here 11. This is a2, which we have got. a2 equals to 11 and a1 is given, and plus 2. 33 plus 2 equals to 35. Means a3 is what? a3 is 35. Now let's find fourth term. To find fourth term, we will put n equals to 4. a4 equals to 3 into a4 minus 1 plus 2, and this will be equals to a3 plus 2. And now we have got third term, which is equals to 35. So we will put 35 here in the place of third term, and this will be equals to 5 3 are 15, 3 are 9 and 10 plus 2, and this is equals to 107. So our fourth term is what? 107. Our fourth term is 107. Now it's turn to find fifth term. To find fifth term, we will put n equals to 5 in the sequence, and this will be equals to a5 equals to 3 into a5 minus 1 plus 2, 3, a5 minus 1, a4 plus 2. It means that fourth term. And what is fourth term? It is 107. So we will put 107 on the place of a4. This is 107 plus 2. And now after multiplication we will add this 107 into 3 will be equals to 321, and now plus 2, and this will be equals to 323. So our fifth term is what? Fifth term is 323. And now we have to also find corresponding series. So corresponding series of the given sequence will be equals to corresponding series of 5 terms of sequence will be equals to A1 means first term is 3 plus 11 which is second term plus third term. What is third term? Third term is 35 plus fourth term. What is fourth term? It is 107 and plus fifth term. What is fifth term? Fifth term is 323. 323. This is corresponding series of corresponding sequence. Because we have already learned, if sequence is given, then by joining the terms of sequence, we can find series. 3, 11, 35, 107 and 323 are 5 terms of this sequence, and by putting plus symbol between terms of sequence, we have got corresponding series, which is 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. In this way, you can also solve other questions. Now, if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask in comment box.